Good morning, caregiver. Before the day pulls you in a dozen directions, let's take a few sacred minutes to check in with you. Find a quiet spot, sit or stand. Let your body soften and gently close your eyes. Let's begin with the breath. Inhale slowly through your nose, hold, and exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale clarity, exhale overwhelm. Let this moment be your anchor before the day begins. Now, scan your body. Notice any tension in your neck, your shoulders, your jaw. Let it go. Soften where you can. Repeat softly to yourself, I will move with purpose today. My care begins with me. I can support others without losing myself. Picture your day like a steady flow, not a flood. Moments of care, followed by breaths of restoration. Today, you'll pause before saying yes. You'll ask, do I have space for this? You'll build moments of ease, even in a packed day. Visualize yourself as calm, clear, and capable. Not perfect, just present. Take one more deep breath. Let it ground you. You are showing up with heart. Now show up for yourself too. Carry this peace with you. You don't have to burn out to care deeply. Let's begin the day centered and whole.